Hello viewers, today we will discuss about voice. So we know voice are of two kinds, active and passive. Active to passive, there are some rules. Active to passive, there are some rules of active to passive we will discuss. And we know active voice has subject, verb, object. Active voice has subject, verb and object. Subject, verb, object, and some other words are there, maybe there. So this is the structure of active voice, and active voice begins with subject, then verb, then object, and we know subject is maybe noun or pronoun, object may be noun pronoun. If the verb has object, and we must change, we can change into the passive voice. If there is no object, we cannot, voice is not happen there. So in active voice there will be a subject, verb and object, and then some other words will be maybe there. So if we want to make it passive, then we must follow some rules. In the active voice, the object in the active voice, the object in the active voice will be the subject in the passive voice. The object of the active voice will be the subject in the passive voice. The object in the active voice will be the subject in the passive voice. Then here, after this is passive voice, after passive voice there must be helping verb. There must be helping verb. So according to tense, here will be some helping verb. Helping verb. We know there are 12 tense, so verb, auxiliary verb will be put here according to tense. And in the the object of the active voice will be the subject in the passive voice, and after the subject in the passive voice, according to tense, there will be helping verb, and the main verb will be past participle. The main verb will be past participle. Verb in past participle. Verb in past participle. Then after verb in the past participle, then we must put here the others. After the object, the words will be put here. And then after that, after the other words, then we must put here by and preposition as preposition, then subject will be object there. After by, subject will be object, and then full stop. This is the active to passive rules. I repeat, if we want to change in active to passive, then we must remember some points, some rules. And the first rule is the object in the active voice will be the subject in the passive voice. According to verb of the active voice, in the passive voice, after subject there will be reporting verb. According to verb tense of the active voice. So we must put after subject, we must put here auxiliary verb. Then the main verb will be past participle, verb in the past participle. And if there is some words after object, then this will be put here. And then we must put a by preposition. Then object will be the subject, will be the object here. Subject, the subject in the active voice will be the object of the passive voice. So this is the rule, primary rule. And we can see an example. I see a bird flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. This is active voice, as the sentence begins with subject, then verb in the present form, and there is an object. So this is the active voice, and we know the object in the active voice will be the subject. So a bird will be here, will be the subject. A bird will be this, has been changed into, has been put here. Then she is in the present tense, so present indefinite. So we must take am is are, we must take put here, we must put here am is are as auxiliary verb. Then she will be in the past participle form. A bird is seen. A bird, then she will be changed into seen. And after the object of the active voice, there are some words and the extension of the sentence. So this will be put here. So flying in the sky, then I will be object, and before object there will be put a by. So by and I will be object, me. I see a bird flying in the sky. A bird is seen flying in the sky by me. Let's go the main points, and this is the primary rules, and according to tense we will see the other structure. So we know if the sentence, if the active voice is in the present indefinite or past indefinite. Present indefinite or past indefinite. How can we change the active voice into passive if the sentence is in the present indefinite or past indefinite? So this is the active voice, and we know active voice begins with subject, then verb, then object, and full stop. present indefinite or past indefinite if we know the object of the active voice will be the subject in the passive voice. The object in the active voice will be the subject in the passive voice. This is passive. And if the verb is in the present form, if the verb is in the present form or if the verb has s or es, then we must put here am, is or are as auxiliary verb. If the verb in the active voice is in the present form or s or es, then we must know this is present indefinite. So we must put here am, is, are as auxiliary verb after subject. But if the verb is in the past form, then we must take here was or were. And I repeat, if the verb in the active voice is in the present form or s or es, there is s or es in the verb, then we must use auxiliary verb as am, is, are. And if the verb is in the past form, so we must use auxiliary verb was, were. And then the main verb will be past participle. The verb in past participle. And after past participle, we must use by as preposition. We know the rules. And the subject will be the object after by. Subject will be the object after by. This is the rules of present if the sentence is in the present indefinite or if the sentence is in the present indefinite or past indefinite. I repeat, if the sentence is in the present indefinite or past indefinite, then we must follow this structure. And we know the active voice begins with subject, then verb, then object, and object of the active voice will be the subject in the passive voice, and the passive voice begins with subject, and this subject comes from object of the active voice. And then after subject in the passive voice, we must put here auxiliary verb. If the verb is in the present form or verb has s or es, then we must use am, is, are. But if the sentence, the verb is in the past form, then we must use was were according to person, and the main verb will be past participle. The main verb will be past participle form. The main, and after verb in the past participle form, after verb, then we must put here a preposition by, then the subject will be the object after by, and sometimes there will be preposition to, sometimes there will be preposition to or at. So the words it depends on some words, English words. So now see the example. He writes a letter to me every week. This is an example. Here subject and it is object, and this is verb. So this is other words, and we know the object of the active voice will be the subject. So here letter will be the subject, a letter, and writes is in now is in the present indefinite tense, and it has s or yes. So we must use this auxiliary verb am is are. So a letter, third person singular number. So here we will put is. A letter is, and then the right verb will be in the past participle form. So written. A letter is written. A letter, then we put here auxiliary verb is, as the verb is in the present indefinite. So after helping verb, then the main verb will be past participle form. So write has been changed into written. Then the other words, if we find here the other words, there are some other words. So to me every week, then the subject will be the object, and before this object we must put here by, and he will be changed into him as object. So this is the example. We can see another example here. I saw the boys playing cricket. I saw the boys playing cricket. So this is subject, this is verb, and the boys is object. So the boys here, saw is in the past indefinite tense. So we know past indefinite tense, if the verb is in the active, the verb in the active voice is past indefinite, past form. So we must take was or were as auxiliary verb. So here saw is past indefinite in the past indefinite tense. So we must use was or were. So the person, the voice now is in the past participle, and the voice in the plural form. So we must take here were. Then the saw verb will be changed into seen, as in the passive voice the main verb will be past participle form, and the boys were seen. Then other words we must put before by. So playing cricket by, I will be changed into me. I will be changed into me. I saw the boys playing cricket. The boys were seen playing cricket by me.